Hi everyone, I'm in Katipunan, dropping JM and the daughter, Pretty Bella, the guy to the mountain farmhouse, some business. So stay tuned, don't go away. Okay, I dropped the girls here. And I'm going back home. I've got so many things to do. Not just the bedroom. A lot of stuff on my computer I cannot do. So anyway, I need to go back. Okay, I'm home now. The tons of things I need to do. Well, there's nobody around, which is good. I need to throw this rubbish. There's so much rubbish smell. And I need to do the laundry. At least that for now. Also, I'm going to see if I can get oil change in my car, because I need to go to Dipolog to ring the Spanish consulate. I got not enough signal here to do that. So pretty busy day so far. There's plenty more, I know, but you will see as we go along. Oh my God, so much. That's okay. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go and throw this rubbish and ring the consulate, Spanish consulate in Manila. I may also, if I can, tomorrow morning drive to Zamboanga and pick up my car and back. Just a quick trip. So we'll see. Alright, anyway, first thing first. I just bought some food for the dogs because I'm not going to cook at home much really. I don't do rice and stuff like that, so that's it, 1 kilo of something. I see if they like it, I will buy more. Let's go. Well, I've been Dipolog. I thought I'd come here and show you a bit around. This is the extension of the Boulevard south area. There's the port of Gallas up there. You can take the ferry from Gallas to Cebu. I don't know how much, depends what you book. You can have cabin or you can just sleep outside with everybody else on benches. But that's the one if you want to go to Cebu by ferry. A lot of fishermen here. I noticed. I'll be here for a long while, but let's get ready for tonight. Night fishing. A lot of people getting ready actually here. Interesting. Yeah, look at the boat, they're all ready with the nets. Okay.
Ano ba? Kuwi-kuwi ba? Kuwi-kuwi.
Let's pick up and drop some laundry before going home. Okay, 6 p.m. It's already night time. Let's go home. Have a good rest. Yeah. morning. Okay, today people cutting grass here, danger. I'm gonna see if I can get my oil changed for the car. That's important to do. But first, I need to go and eat. I'm starving. All morning I've been doing editing for my next video. And also, if I got the time, I'm gonna see if I can get an appointment with the dentist. I need to do a clean up. So you can see I had a lot of things to do. So anyway, it's hot today. Yeah, that bathroom is so dirty. The whole house is dirty anyway. So we had to stop the laundry again because yesterday they couldn't find our clothes. They were lost, but they found it. Okay, going back home now. Feels like going for a swim. The water looks beautiful. Anyway, I bought all the stuff for cleaning the bathroom. Now I'm going to see, and I have my quick lunch. Now I'm going to see if the people can do an oil change on the car before I go home. Okay, I'm lucky they're going to do an oil change after this one. Shouldn't be too long. It's very busy. So hot, I'm going back into my car and put the aircon. Okay, let's do it. They're always very busy here, so they must be doing something right. I can't wait to get home. So hot here, so hot. It's about 2 p.m. I need a nap. Okay, let's go home before I get wet. I'll finish my video and see about this bathroom. Very lucky if I don't get wet. Quick, let's get home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.